So students, we will just proceed with the marketing mix. Now you just come to know that what is the marketing. Now the next word, I've already always told that just try to put some little bit concentration on the words. You will just get the real meaning by just seeing the single word. Now you just marketing and the mix. Marketing, you know. So we can say that a mix means like a mixture, like a combination. So what will be the combination of the marketing? So I'm saying that marketing mix is a combination, or it's a mixture of some P's, P for parrot, like, right? So the thing is that I'm saying that it is a mixture or the combinations of some P's that is existing in the marketing, and these are the most important part of marketing, because whole marketing is just based on these kinds of P's, you can say that. And from the examination point of view, this question is very much important, as in the last session that was a question that what are the 4 P's. So most of the students just attempt in a wrong manner, and I just checked the copies of that, so I just come to know that nobody has written this question in a proper manner. So marketing mix is a mixture of marketing, and we are just concentrating that if a question is like that, discuss the 4 P's on what are the 4 P's of the marketing mix. So 4 P's means that you have to start the words with the P's. So first one is the product, price, place and promotion. As you know that students, in the class I have told you that there is a marketing of the goods and there is a marketing of the services. In the product we are just concentrating, or we are just considering these 4 kinds of P's, and in the service sectors there are 3 more P's are there, like the physical evidence will be there, like and people will be there, and in the this sector, in the goods sectors, 1 more P is added, that is your packaging. And in the this sector, service sector, we are just going through with the process, like people, process and the physical evidence. So such kind of P's are also be added with that, but from this examination point of view, it's more important that you just memorize these kinds of 4 P's: product, price, place and promotion. With the place we can just add with the physical distribution also, like that how we will transport the product from one place to the another place, means from the place of the production to the place of the consumption. We will discuss all these things in detail. So the thing is that marketing mix is a very dynamic concept.